Hello everyone, this is Jillian at Bliss Crystals, and today I'm going to show you a brief tutorial on how to cleanse your crystals with water. Number one, please find more detailed information, including a list of water safe and water unsafe stones on our website, blisscrystals.com. Please look at that information first and peruse that list of safe and unsafe stones before you choose to cleanse your stones in water, so you can be sure that you are cleansing the right type of stones and that you don't damage the stones that you already have. So step one, you will decide if you want to use running water from your tap or use a bowl of water. Either one is wonderful. If you use a tap, please be sure that you have a drain block in place in case you drop any of your stones, they don't go down your drain. And then if you use a bowl of water, it's always nice to bless the water first and say a nice blessing or a prayer to positively charge that water so it's ready for the cleansing. Step two, you will hold your stones in your hands and then say an affirmation, blessing, or prayer as you hold them under the tap water or dunk them into the water. And then step three, you will lay them out on a towel. I like to lay them in a pleasing arrangement like a grid, and you can lay them to air dry. If you have time, you can polish them with a soft cloth to dry them. So let's take a closer look at how to cleanse your stones and some affirmations that you can say as you cleanse them with the water. So first, I'd like to share with you some examples of crystals that are not safe for water to place in water or to have running water over them. Either it will dissolve them, fade them, or otherwise destroy part of their structure. So not water safe are selenite, other types of selenite like desert rose selenite, any rough, flaky geode specimens, celestite and angelite, rough kyanite, rough lepidolite, rough black tourmaline, rough malachite or chrysocolla, turquoise, opal. This is actually an azurite, so that's an example of a rough, crumbly specimen. And then other iron-containing stones like hematite, pyrite, lodestone, and galena. The crystals that are safe for water are from the quartz family, so clear quartz, smoky quartz, rose quartz, hematoid, amethyst, citrine, all jaspers, all agates, all aventurines, tiger's eye, larimar, aquamarine, beryls, fluorite, apatite, and so forth. In general, stones that are nice and hard and in a tumbled, polished form are generally going to be safe for a quick dip in some water. Never use salt water. It can actually corrode and damage the polished crystal surface. So dunking the crystals into the water, making sure, of course, beforehand that they're all water-safe crystals, say an affirmation such as, "May these crystals be cleansed of any negative or harmful energies, and may they be used for healing in light and love and for the good of all." And then take them out of the water, place onto a nice clean towel, and repeat this process until all of the stones are cleansed in the water. If you are using a tap water to cleanse, you can visualize the negative energies being washed away as you hold them in the tap water. And then I love to arrange my stones in a pleasing arrangement and using symmetry. It's a very meditative thing to do while your crystals are air drying. And of course, alternatively, you can, if you have time, you can polish your stones dry with a clean, soft cloth so that they won't have any watermarks after they dry. So that's it. Thank you guys for joining me, and we will be back with another tutorial on lots of different ways to clean your other stones. Check out blisscrystals.com for more detailed information, and be sure to favorite our Facebook page and Instagram page. Many crystal blessings.